Hey there, my name's Josh. Tonight I'm going to make an addition to my shop, that being a table saw. Currently I'm using an old Ryobi contractor style aluminum top saw. I've lost a stand somewhere along the way, so I've had to kind of put it up on a workbench every time to use it. Not very convenient, and kind of screams when you start it up, just not pleasant to use. I'd shopped around for a while on Craigslist for one. I do enjoy the used tools on Craigslist, have a little more heritage. And of course, as everybody knows, older tools do have more solid parts, fewer plastic, built a little better, and just a better story. So found this old Craftsman on Craigslist. Let's see here. There you go. So it came with manual, came with everything actually. The guy took really good care of it. Barely used it nonetheless, but you know, super nice guy, helped me break it down, load it in my car, got it home, had to break it down even more for me to carry it. But tonight I'm gonna go ahead and carry it downstairs, set it up, and let you enjoy the show. So thanks for watching. I do have a few things to figure out. Where do I want to put this? I'd like to build a outfeed table for it. Thinking about which direction I want this to face. Most likely it'll turn around, probably face the other way, maybe not, who knows. Do want to clean up the top. A few things here and there I need to adjust. This is just a quick video. I think part of this was out of focus, but that's alright. Other than that, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.